Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. I'm going to be posting this video a little bit late this week, but hopefully that's okay. So this is my yearly savings binder. We're going to be saving for all of our yearly expenses coming up. So let's get into it. I have about $120 here today. And last time we left off on my cell phone. So let's go ahead and start here today. So how are y'all doing? I hope you guys are having a great week. It's been flying by for me. All right, so this challenge here is from Bookish Mama Budgets. We're gonna save $16 here today. Oops, my scratcher fell. Oh my goodness. I did just pay my cell phone bill, so I hope that by the time this rolls around again, I did just go for like the 6-month option, but I'm hoping that by the time this rolls around again, we have enough saved up to do like a yearly subscription, because that would definitely help me save some money in the long run. All right, next is dentist. We have this challenge by 4 Dizzy Birds. So let's see, let's roll and see where we're going this time. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I've been busy this past weekend getting all my mailings out ready to go for my Ko-fi members. So we have 20, 40, 45, and 6 for the dentist. So if you're part of my Ko-fi membership, you should be getting your mail soon, hopefully before the end of this week. All right, next we have this challenge from Amanda, and we're gonna finish the February one today, which is perfect. So we're saving $13 for with that. Let's see, we have 10, 11, 12, 13. And so this whole challenge should have saved us 46. Let's just make sure that that's what we have. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, we only have 45. Well, let me just grab another one. There we go. All right, and I am gonna, I think, put this away. I think I'm gonna put this in my like high yield savings account for my emergency fund. I have a category in there for it. So let me put this there so I can put that back in the bank. We also have been doing the 12 months of savings collab with Norelis budgets, and the January challenges are created by Oh Mama Budget. So let's go there. Oh, I found the one. It was stuck in the other challenges. Okay, so we have this one left to do. I don't know if we'll finish this all before the end of February. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just put 10 in here for now. And we might be a little bit behind, but that's okay. We'll catch up someday, eventually. All right, next we have this challenge for the eye doctor. Each one of these is $2. So let's roll and see how many we're saving today. All right, you got 1. So that one is just $2 today. And let's scratch one of these for some extra savings on this one. Let's see what we get. All right, so that's a total of $6 for this. 5 and 6. So now we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and 38. All right. So I've been having a really great week. I hope you guys have too. I've been having a great time with my students. I've really been enjoying them. I know I said this in my past videos, but I really have just been enjoying them. And at this point in the year, I don't know, I've just really developed some good relationships with them, and that makes me feel so good. All right, so 6 for home maintenance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one of these is 5. So what's 6 times 5? 35, right? So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. We'll do that. Awesome. All right, so now in this challenge we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81 for home maintenance. So I had a couple students leave me notes. At lunchtime they were told to like leave a note for their favorite teacher about why they're their favorite, and I had like 3 students leave a note about me, which made me feel so nice. It was like the highlight of my day today at work. It's so sweet. One of them just said W teacher, which I thought was so funny. All right. Oh, that one is 25. Oh shoot. Okay, I think we have enough money for that though. All right, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so now we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48 with this medical fund saver. And I can't remember who this is by because they don't have a name on there. All right, and then our last challenge here is for yearly subscriptions. We do have a lot of ones left, so let's see what we get. Oh, we finished February, so let's start this March one right here. Oh, that is 19. No, that's 12. Okay, let's see if we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I don't have any extra change over here, so we're gonna have a little IOU on this, but that's okay. So I owe myself $3 in this one when we come back here. Okay, perfect. I already have a little IOU slip here. I'm just gonna rewrite this so that it says 3. Wait, that's not working very well. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna cross that out. All right, so we owe ourselves $3 for the yearly subscriptions one, and we'll come back to that next time and start right here. Okay, so that is it for that video, guys. That's it for this video, guys. I went really fast today, I feel like. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and week, and I will see you next time. Bye.